I've got a great old big Craftsman grinder up there that I'm pretty sure I will never use again. I have a lot of nice grinders. I do a good bit of metal work. That old big monster up there probably belonged to Dad, but I don't think I got sentimental value attached to it. I'm thinking it could do just as well. You'll throw that away. Throw it away. All of these things these are roof scaffolds for if you're putting on roofing, you need to get up on the roof, put up little scaffolding things like that. Oh, I just dropped a box of screws, that ain't good. Yeah, a lot of this stuff I probably don't need to keep. Oh yeah, I dumped a whole box of screws out right there. That's going to take me a while to clean up. Dang. Okay. Well, I'm not going to take my gloves off. I'm going to be picking up screws for a while. See what I did? Screws everywhere. You know, I wonder if a big magnet would work. I don't know. I have to scrape them off a magnet if I had them stuck to it. I'll put y'all down.